I've got myself a blueberry granola smoothie here, and now I'm going to show you how you can make it.
Take a drink.
It's good.
Maybe first take the coconut cream. Jar of coconut.
So first, we're going to start with some coconut cream. Put it in here, this thing, in this cup, and then we're going to put blueberries in, frozen blueberries,
Mix it in the bowl.
and then we're going to mix it in, take the spoon out, and then we're going to mix it in this blender. Like that. And then we scoop the top off carefully. Pour it into a glass.
That's good.
And then we're going to put some granola in. That's enough. And then now, we just carefully swirl it around, and then we can try it.